Hello everyone, welcome back in Hotel Mammon video lecture. Myself Arvind Chauhan, Assistant Professor, BBD University, Lucknow. I'm here to deliver a lecture on your food and beverage service, which is given topic.
Okay, so welcome to the next video of your fortified wines in detail. Another fortified wines. In previous video, you have learned about the sherry, and in this video, we will learn about port, Madira, Marsala. Okay, so one by one, we go through each and every one. So post basically, as we know that the port is it is a fortified wines, great fortified wines produced from the grape growing Upper Douro Valley, northern Portuguese, right? So Portugal, like Spain, is famous for its fortified wines. Then it's Abel then it's stable wines. Okay, Portugal is the fifth largest wine producing countries in the world after Italy, uh, France, Spain, and Argentina. The yield per year is 13,063 million liter of wine, which is acquired from 3,366 square meter of vineyards. Per head consumption is 125 liter of wine. Here, most stable wine is produced than port. All wines exported from Portuguese must get the sanction of the official body called Grêmio dos Exportadores. All wine exported from the Portuguese must get the section of official body called Grêmio dos Exportadores. Right? Uh, After this, you can see here, this is the like the geographical mapping area of Spain, and the valleys are here. Madeira, Marsala. In this, you can see this is the grapes, harvesting grapes, how they grow the grapes here, and see these are the valleys where they used to grow the various kind of vineyards, right? See, this is the how they harvest the grapes and protect the soil and climate, right? So the important thing is the classification of port. Before classification of port, I just want to tell you the style of wine was introduced accidentally, like port. Incidentally, the Methuen Treaty of 1703 between British and Portuguese government includes shipping of wine to England in order to establish and preserve the quality of wine during sea voyages. Some quantity of brandy were added to the wine. Now adding the brandy during the fermentation has become a practice as it also kills the yeast and retains some sugar. The important step in making the port is the rapid extraction of color from the grapes and introducing the grapes spirit at the prepared stage to bring fermentation to uh, salt and retain sugar. There are about 40 varieties of grapes grown in a Pontus wine estate of Douro region for making port wine. The grapes are harvested towards the end of the September and are taken to the shipper and produce the logs located to the Douro Valley and pursue the fermentation process. So classification DOC, the Denominazione di Origine Controllata, similar to AOC wine of France. IPR Indicadio Provincia Regulamentata. VINHO regionals like Vendée, Alphonse, and Vino di Mesa table wines. We know the region, France, the country wines, and we know the table wines. Similar to the France classification, France law. Okay, what are the grapes variety used to making port wine? Grape variety used white and red grapes, which is given separately over here. White grapes are Azel, Alvan, Reinho. Arinto, and Bastardo, and Dorodo. And red grapes, Ajal, Amarsal, Bastardo, Tinta Carolo, Tinto Pinhiri. These are the grapes used for making port wines. And again, the regions of wine of mountains, wine of oceans, wine of plains. See, there's a three things which is very actually interested. Wines of mountains, wine of oceans, and wine of plains. Wine of mountains means the area which is there in a mountain style. Likes ups and lot of ups and downs are there. A lot of it's not a straight, it's not a plain field. Is like a 45 angle, 45-degree plain clouds are here over here. And wine of ocean is a bank of river, bank of ocean, right? So lots of very moist area. And wine of plain is there is no very just a plain plot, and you can grow the grapes. Wine of mountain, Miho, Douro, and Dow. Wine of ocean, Colares, Corcovalis, Brussels, Setúbal. And wine of plain, Torres, Verdas, Ribolejo, Alcobaca, Almeri, Cartexo. These are the wines. So one by one, the wines of mountains. Miho. The wine of Miho uh, comes from provinces of Ant Douro in Miho from the northwest of Portuguese. The wine of this region are called Vinho Verde or green wines. So Miho wines is called as the green wines. High acid, young and invigorating nature of the wines. These wines are bottled after 5 months of maturation and contain a lot of malic acid. So in these wines contain a lot of malic acid. These wines are bottled after 5 months of maturation and contain a lot of malic acid. After bottling, malic acid gets converted into lactic acid and carbon dioxide. So after bottling, remember this, after bottling, malic acid gets converted into lactic acid and carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide contributes to the characteristic frigent nature of the wine. Brand names, white wines, Castle Mendes, Castle Garcia, Pinafel Verde. Red wines are Barrocal, Espadero, Vinotina, Tinta. Okay, next is Douro. Douro, the best Douro wine are made near the Spanish border. Around two-thirds of the area produce is used for the production of table wine and one-third for the production of port. The best wine produced in this region is Matthews Rose. Matthews Rose, the best wine produced in this region is Matthews Rose. It is a medium sweet carbonated rosé wine which is sold in flagon shaped bottle called Buck Beecher. Buck Beecher. It is a medium sweet carbonated rose wine which is sold in flagon shape bottle called Buck Beecher. Okay. Now is Dow. The red wine of this area are velvety due to the high glycerin content. The red wine are the predominant produce of this area. The red wine like Grau, Visco, and Dow Cops Alenka are not unlike Burgundy. The whites are similar to the Chablis. So white wine are similar to the Chablis wines. Wine of oceans. Next is wine of oceans. Wine of oceans means Colores. Colores. The red wine of Colores are considered to be best in Portuguese The law strictly regulates the use of word colors. The red wine are much better than the white. The red are much stronger, smoky, and full of tannin. The whites are quite dull and flat. The white wines are quite dull and flat. Carcaveles, both red and white wine, have good lasting power. Okay, Carcaveles was once upon a time famous for fortified wines, which was sweet but has not become dry, pale, less in alcohol with a distinct nutty flavor. Boostless, they are the first white wine, but as they grow old, then change color, and upon being given more time, they change to gold color. Once upon a time in England, they used to market as Lisbon port. Setúbal, the vineyards around the port of Setúbal is famous for only one wine, that is Muscatel de Setúbal, which is sweet fortified wine golden color. The vineyard around the port of Setúbal is famous for only one wine, that is Muscatel de Setúbal, which is sweet fortified wine golden color. Setúbal. Wine terminology: Qantas vineyards. Qantas port is called vineyards. Adegas is sailor. Lagars throw the stone used for pressing the grapes. It is a kind of stone which is used to pressing the grapes. The lards are 1 meter deep and 5 meters square. Garafera, nature inside the bottle before the sale. Vindima indicates that the wine is being sold as soon as it has been bottled. Claret is for boys and port is for men. Claret is for boys and port is for the men, declared by the Samuel Johnson. Port has been the official drink used for toast by English royal family for 2 centuries in Portugal. Douro is the word single legally demarcated wine region after Italy, Chianti Classico region. In 1756, during the era of Marquis de Pombal, the Douro region was defined to protect the quality and good name of forts known as Porto and Portugal. The production of port is limited to the strictly defined area of approximately 1500 square miles along with the river Douro in the northern Portugal. Port take its name from Port Oporto. Romans used to call Oporto a Portugal, which eventually got changed to Portugal. Port started as a stable wine and was being exported to England as early as the 14th century, but this wine used to be very harsh and did not trouble them. Grape spirit is used to keep it alive on the voyage. In 1933, the bodies, three bodies were formed in Product Quality Port Wine Institute, which looks after the administration, sale, alcoholic strength, lodges, and demarcated area. Port Wine Shippers Guild looks after the export formalities, a standard of lodges and stocks, etc. Douro District Department, which looks after the agriculture aspect like planting of new wine tillage, etc. Okay, now let's discuss about the climate of the port wine making areas. The winter can be extremely cold, and main rainfall is over 222 127 mm during the month of December. Next is the summer are hot and temperature varies between 27 degrees Celsius to 44 degrees Celsius. Soil granite and architose stone are present, but it is later which produce grape of high quality. So we need we use in इसमें क्या करते हैं ग्रेनाइट यूज करते हैं some asty sword stone present होता है. It is a brown state and rich in minerals. Minerals हमें बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं minerals soil में, मिट्टी में. Grape used like for red port and for white port. Red port के लिए बातोरो यूज करते हैं, टंगरियो, मरिसो, टिंटो फ्रेंसका, टिंटा कोआ. So these are the grapes used for the white and red grapes. So we're talking about the production, how it produced, harvesting. First, as usually we do the harvesting. The grapes are harvested in the late September to early October. Crushing of the grapes takes place in lager. Lager is a kind of stone by which we need to press the grapes. Okay. It takes 2 men to work in a 4 hour shift to work a pipe. The result is known as corte, meaning first trading, after which the men dance around the mast for another 4 hours. The trading may continue for 24 to 48 hours. Fermentation, usually the fortified wine are fermented till all the sugar is fermented to alcohol and carbon dioxide, but in case of port it does not happen. During the fermentation, the alcohol is suddenly increased to 16 degree Gaussian. GL is Gaussian by the addition of grape spirit. Degree GL by the addition of grape spirit, while there is still some natural sugar left in the must. The quantity of brandy added to 100 liter to every 1 and 450 liter of wine. Port wine is only fortified wine in the world which has its own natural sweetness. So port wine एक ऐसी वर्ड की वाइन है जिसमें नेचुरल स्वीटनिंग अवेलेबल रहती है. ठीक है. Fortification means adding the extra alcohol to the wine, right? The wine is then transferred to the lageg where more brandy is added to the further increase alcoholic strength. Okay. Port has an alcoholic strength around 221 GL. Then the wine is given sometimes before being tested for quality and characteristics. After being tasted, the wine is blended in huge vats called balseltros. Aging, the wine is now transferred to vat where the wine remains till the wine gets matured. In between, the racking takes place 3 to 4 times in the 1 year. The frequency decreases the following year onwards. With the exception of vintage, crushed and very old Tawny port, all the other port have to be clarified using either isinglass, egg white or filtration, refrigeration, etc. before bottling. Types of port. Aperitif port. It is white in color and fermentation is allowed to go until all the sugar is converted into alcohol and carbon dioxide. बेसिकली ये सब वाइट कलर होता है. फर्मेंटेशन जो है जब तक कि कोई शुगर कन्वर्ट नहीं हो जाती अल्कोहल में तब तक करते हैं. इट शुड बी सर्व चिल्ड विद द स्लाइस ऑफ लेमन. स्लाइस ऑफ लेमन के साथ सर्व किया जाता है. ओके. Let's see the white port. White port, basically these tend to run from dry and slightly tangy into medium sweet. Generally the must is allowed to ferment long with not as much as aperitif port. Although some appear to slightly oxidize, the dry ones are perfect aperitifs for the Portuguese dinner. Served chilled with some crackers and cheese during warm weather may also enjoy them. Ruby port. What is ruby port? Yes, traditionally they are the youngest of ports which take their name from the ruby color. Rich and fruity, they are best consumed when they are young. No cellaring is necessary. Tawny port. The name is derived from the tawny color of the wine, which comes from long aging in the barrel, which caused the wine to lose some of its redness. Much smoother than ruby port. Spend a minimum of 6 to 8 years in the cask. Late bottle vintage LBV. Okay. What is LBV, late bottle vintage? Late bottle vintage, it is a wine from a single year and blended from the wine from a number of years. Like these wines were established the bottle as vintage wine, but due to lack of demand, was left in barrels. They are poured of single vintage year from March 1 September March 1st to September 30 declared by the shipper during the fourth year after the vintage. The port is bottled between July 1st and another year of December 31 of the sixth year after harvest. Vintage port, these are by far the greatest port. Vintage port are made only in the year that are declared by the shippers. 3 to 4 vintage in the decade, aged for 2 years in wooden casks. Vintage port are very difficult to be drunk in its young because of the high acid alcohol and concentration of food and sugar. However, those who are patient enough to wait for 15 to 20 years will be rewarded with one of the world's greatest fortified wines. So these are the examples of the ports. Brown name, Coxman, Smith, Coxon, these are the brown names. Service of ports. When served at the aperitif, it should be served at the 30 or 60 ml in a port wine glass or an AP wine glass. It should be a served chilled with a slice of lemon. When served as an accompaniment to the dessert, it should be served 30 to 60 ml in the port wine glass and AP glass at the room temperature. Madeira. Okay, next is Madeira wine. Madeira. Madeira in 1418, one of the Henry Gonçalves Jorco discovered as Aslan around 560 kilometers to north of Portuguese capital Lisbon. The island was completely wooden. It's in its entire length of 50 kilometers and width of 23 kilometers. He named this island as Madeira, wood or timber in Portuguese language. So Madeira means wood or timber in Portuguese language. Okay. Jarko was eventually appointed as the Captain General of Iceland. He established his base at the site, which is now the Iceland capital of Funchal. Jarko saw that the tree are an obstruction to grow of colonialism. So Jarko set fire to the forest. What's happened? After this, it is told that the forest kept burning from 7 years and would as enrich the soil. Northern Madeira, Santata, you can see the geographical location by the map. This is the area where the grapes are grown. Grapes variety are used Cercial, Verdelho, Baul, Malmese. Production harvesting. The grapes are generally harvested in the mild August and harvest continue to the date of October. The grapes at sea level, Vardhelo and Baul are harvested first, then the Malse and finally the Celsia is harvested. Celsia, Marslo, Baul and Vardhelo. They are the four grape varieties used to making Madeira. Okay. The grapes are harvested manually. Pressing of grapes. Pressing of grapes take place in lager. Lager again is a stone which used to press the grapes. A wooden trough in which bare-legged people press the grapes. The must is then immediately transferred to the loggers and funchal at funchal fermentation. The must is transferred in lorries or 55 liters both skinned by hardy labor. Fermentation starts in the fermentation tank. Wine which are invented to be sweet fortified wines will have the fermentation terminated at a very early stage by the addition of grape spirits. The dried from the Madeira, that is Circeal and Verdelho, are fermented much longer. Now we're talking about the maturation. When the fermentation is complete, the fortified wine is given a resting period in the cool lager. Now, these wines are known as Vino Claro. Journey to topic but now uncommercial. The wine are matured through estufagin or estufa system. Wines are matured through estufa or estufa system. Estufa system is these are the kind of heating chamber. Okay, let's say the estufa system is simply heated rooms or the stove. Nowadays, two types of heating system are in use. In its earliest form, it's used to be known as estufa de sol or a glass house where natural sun rays used to heat and the wine kept in pipes, casks having a capacity of 418 liters, but the cold air during the night used to adversely of the wine. Types of Madeira, the central heating system where hot water pipes run along the wall of room which heat the Madeira. Hot water pipes run through the wall of cement tank in which the wine is matured. The capacity of the cement tanks and around 4,000 liter. Operation of Stupa system, how is done, कैसे होता है ये? Maximum temperature is fixed between maximum temperature fixed होता है 43 degree Celsius to 63 degree Celsius. 500 is optimum, the 50 is optimum temperature. It is increased by gradually and is never more than 2.75 degree centigrade per day. When the required temperature is reached, it is kept 3 to 4 months, sometimes up to the 6 months. Then the temperature is gradually reduced to the normal temperature. The temperature is never reduced more than 2.25 degrees Celsius per day. The wine is called Vino Estufado. Then the wine is called Vino Estufado. It must have become a little darker and developed slight burnt taste. After being given a good testing period, it is racked into new casks. Now the wine is called Vino Transfergado. Vino Transfergado. In these new casks, the wine is added with 10% alcohol. Now the wine is known as Vino Generoso. Now the wine enters into the Solera system for blending and slight maturation. Types: Cercial Madeira is an amber color aperitif wine with a crispy taste. It varies from dry to not so dry, served chilled. Verdelho, it is a golden color. Madeira, almost rose and not so dry. Cercia, this can be an excellent accompaniment to soup or can be enjoyed at any time of the day. Cercia is a accompaniment of soup. Cercia is fortified wines, fortified Madeira. Cercial, this can be excellent accompaniments of soups or can be enjoyed at any time of day. Wow. सूप के साथ सेल्सिया आती है सेल्सिया क्या है मदिरा वाइन the rainwater, the wine was believed to have been created by Mr. Habisham, a local Madeira shipper from Savannah, Georgia. Mr. Habisham made a very special blend of Cercia and Verdelho that were lighter and quite a bit paler, almost like rainwater, than most of Madeira. It used to be consumed during the early 19th centuries. Bowl or bowl. See, the bowl of the Madeira is deep, cold, and rich and heavy bodies. Madeira, it has a nice balance of sugar, acid, and tannin. It has somewhat smoky taste and goes well with sweet dishes. Malmesey, it is dark brown in color and the most renowned and expensive form of Madeira. truly a desert wine and can also be drunk after the coffee. Brand name Brandy's Buzzard Garden. These are the Madeira and the port. Next is it's Marsala. The next is the Marsala. Marsala basically this fortified wines come from north west Sicily, taking its name from the name of town in that area. The local grapes Grillo, Caterato, and Idolia are used to preparation of Marsala. It is made from a blend of white wine, brandy, and heated must. Okay, Marsala, Sicily, fortified wines produced in dry and sweet style. Catarato, Grillo, Injolia, and other grapes used to making Marsala. Three methods of making Marsala basically. Fortified with the grape spirits. This can be fortified with the grape spirits. Grape spirits or the brandy. Addition of concentration musto cotto must boil down the concentrate. And addition of chiffon late picked over rib must be added alcohol. These only for the types of marsala. Oro. Oro is golden. Oro means golden. Amber. Amber. And Rubino is ruby. Each can be made seco. Seco is dry. Semi-seco is semi-dry. Marsano. Marsala fino. Age minimum of 1 year. Marsala superior. Age at least 2 years. Marsala superior reserva. Age at least 3 years or more. Age in cask minimum 5 years in solar system. Marsala Virgin Stravecchio Reserva dry minimum of 10 year aging cask. In 1773, uh, the English merchant John Woodhouse established a winery in Sicily for the production of Marsala wine. Its gained popular soon. Benjamin Ingham established competitive in 1812. In 1832, Wenceslaw Florio, the first Italian, entered the production of making Marsala. Many other producers joined the list. For many years, it was regarded equal to sherry and Madeira. However, by the 1950s, it was mainly used for culinary preparations. It is important ingredients in many egg and coffee-based dishes, pastries, and desserts. Jaboglia, a sweet dish, is flavored with marsala, for example. Okay, so the next is the Marsala. Marsala, port city of Malaga and the Lucia. Food growing John around the city, right? Thank you. Malaga is not in your syllabus.